Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Algebra Solution. We have to see this algebra problem. X plus y is equal to 100, x into y is equal to 100, x equal to and y equal to value we have to find. So let's start the solution. X plus y equal to 100. X plus y equal to 100. So we can write here y equal to 100 minus x, y equal to 100 minus x. So xy equal to 100. Here put the value of this y. So we get x into 100 minus x equal to 100. Multiply this x, 100x minus x square equal to 100. Now minus x square plus 100x, transfer this side, minus 100 equal to 0. Now multiply both sides by minus 1. Minus 1 multiply minus x square plus 100x minus 100 equal to 0. Multiply minus 1. Multiply both sides by minus 1. So we get here x square minus 100x minus becomes plus 100 equal to 0. Now this is the quadratic equation. So value of a equal to 1. Value of b equal to coefficient of x is minus 100 and value of c equal to 100. Now we have to write the value of x equal to, we have to find the value of x. Quadratic formula is minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Value of x equal to, value of b is minus 100 plus minus under root minus 100 square minus 4 into 1 into c. Value of c is 100. Value of c is 100. So we can write here value of a is 1. So 2 into 1. Now x equal to 100 plus minus under root 100 square minus 4 into 100 divided by 2. 2 into 1 is 2. Now x equal to 100 plus minus under root, take here common 100. So here 100 in bracket 100 minus 4 divided by 2. Now x equal to, we write here 100 plus minus, now here under root 100 minus 4 is 96 divided by 2 is equal to 100 plus minus 100 plus minus under root 9600 divided by 2. Factorize 9600. 9600 equal to, we can factorize here, divide by 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 0 0. Now again divide by 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 divided by 0. Now again here 2, here 3 we can divide, 8 3, 3 8s are 24. Here we can divide by 2. So we get here 400. Now again divide by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 0 0. Now here we can divide. 2 2s are 2 1s are 2, 200 here. So this 2 into 2 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, and this 3 2s are 6. So we can get here x equal to, now we can write 100 plus minus under root 100 into 4 square into 6 divided by 2. X equal to 100 plus minus under root 100 means 10 square into under root 4 square into under root 6 divided by 2. We can write this x equal to 100 plus minus this square root remove, so we get here 10, square root remove, so we get 4 into under root 6 divided by 2. Now x equal to 100 plus minus 10 4s are 40 under root 6 divided by 2. X equal to 100 divided by 2 plus minus 40 under root 6 divided by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 0 0. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 0 0. X equal to 50 plus minus 20 under root 6. Now we can write here x1 equal to 50 plus 20 under root 6. This is the value of x1. This is the value of x1. Now we can write here x2 equal to 50 minus 20 under root 6. This is the value of x2. This is the value of x2. Now we know that y is equal to 100 minus x. So we can write here y1 equal to 100 minus x1. So we will put here value of x1 is y1 equal to 100 minus 50 plus 20 under root 6. Now y1 equal to 100 minus 50 minus 20 under root 6. Now y1 equal to 50 minus 20 under root 6. This is the value of y1. This is the value of y1. Now we can find the value of y2. y2 equal to 100 minus x2. y2 equal to 100 minus y2 equal to 100 minus x2, that is 50 minus 20 under root 6. y2 equal to 100 minus 50 plus minus into minus becomes plus 20 under root 6. Now y2 equal to 100 minus 50, that is 50 plus 20, 50 plus 20 under root 6. This is the value of y2. So we know that the value of y1, x1, y1 equal to, in bracket, 50 plus 20 under root 6, and value of y1 is 50 minus 20 under root 6. This is the value of x1 and y1. This is the value of x1 and y1. Then value of x2, y2. x2 and y2 equal to 50 minus 20 under root 6, comma 50 plus 20 under root 6. This is the value of x2, y2. These are the values of x2 and y2. If you are new on the channel, so subscribe the channel and share with your friends. Thanks for watching the video. Share with your friends. Subscribe the channel. Bye bye everyone.